Whenever you're ready, let's get started with a standing part. So join me with the feet shoulder width apart. And today I would love to start immediately with movement. So I hope you're ready to get started. Make sure you have a soft micro bend in your knees, pelvis, spine, everything is neutral. And then let's open up the arms together with a big inhale. And with the exhale, you bring the fingertips together in front of your body. Now inhale, open nice and wide. And as you exhale, imagine you are hugging a big tree. Inhale to collect the energy. And exhale through pursed lips, engage your powerhouse. Breathe into your chest. And breathe out, pull the navel in towards the spine. Let's add on. So whenever you're ready, we're gonna round the back. As you exhale, look to your belly button. Inhale, rise up, pull the arms to the back to open up your chest and round your spine and your arms. Keep going. So slowly build up that soft corset feeling. So especially when you inhale, keep that corset feeling by closing those rib arches. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Whenever you're ready, let's add on. So with your next exhale, pull the right knee into the chest. Try to find your balance, hug the leg. And inhale, ground the foot, extend the spine and open your arms. Beautiful. Slowly connecting with your body, awakening those deep core muscles, mobilizing your joints, and awakening those muscles as well. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Keep the shoulders low. Enjoying that wonderful opening in those back muscles as you round your spine. Good job. With your next exhale, keep the right knee in the air, rise up with your spine and your arms again, and now place the right foot to the left side of your left foot, just the outer edge of your foot, so we can create even more length in your lateral fascia by adding on a side bend. So from here, inhale, open up into that side bend, and with your exhale, come back to center. Inhale, we lengthen the side of the body, the outer thighs, and the fascia tissue, coming back to center. Get the flow with your breath, so exhale to release, and inhale to move into that lateral side bend. Squeeze, softly squeeze the legs together, engaging your glutes, keep the core activated. Let's go for 3 more. Open up the muscles between your ribs so we can breathe even deeper in a second. Last one. And then exhale, come back with your upper body and lift your right leg up. From here, we're gonna exhale, switch over the side, and we move the leg to the back. Hold, inhale, knee all the way up. And with your exhale, switch over the side and bring the leg back to the front of your body. We try to turn it out here. Exhale, up and over. Inhale, try to hold. So we want to mobilize our hips. And when the leg is in front of our body, we try to turn out. Imagine there's a thread attached to your heel that is pulling the heel up. And when the leg is behind you, we try to turn the leg inwards. So this time the thread is attached at the outside of your outer thigh. Now this is kind of a active mobility exercise, so try to work in full range of motion. So it's not only strength and stabilizing work, it's also nice work for our flexibility. Inhale to hold. And And exhale to switch. Keep the powerhouse engaged by pulling the navel in towards the spine to support the lumbar spine, the lower back. Breathe in, grow an inch taller. And breathe out, switch. Next time, when your leg is behind your body, hold it for a second. From here, we're gonna inhale and exhale. Bring the right knee into the left back of your knee. Inhale to stretch and to lengthen. Keep the hips closed. And exhale, push the right knee into the back of your left knee. Exhale, also bend your supporting leg, it's the left leg. And inhale, stretch. Whenever you're ready, add the arms. So as you exhale, bring the arms next to your ears. And as you inhale, pull the elbows close to your body, up towards the ceiling. Exhale, arms forwards, thumbs up. Inhale, it's like a row movement, pulling the shoulder blades together, elbows up and close to your body. Try to find your rhythm again. It's not a race. It's not about doing many repetitions. It's about the form. So try to think about all those details, to stretch, to lengthen your spine, to keep the hips closed, to work slowly and with control. It's all about precision. Let's go for 2 more rounds. One more. The inhale as important as the exhale. And when you exhale, keep the knee in the back of the knee, the arms elongated. And then let's start with big and slow scissor movements with the arms in the beginning. Shoulders down, long neck. And then let's create some heat together. Let's fasten the arm movements. Let's swim with the arms. Pull the shoulder blades into the lower back. Keep working a bit faster so the deep core is awakening. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Squeeze the thighs together. Last inhale. With your exhale, stop the movement. Place the right foot onto the floor and open the arms nice and wide. Inhale. And exhale, let's twist to the left. Coming back to the center with your inhale. And let's twist to the same side again, to the left. Exhale. Whew. It's getting hot in here. So while twisting, keep the pelvis steady and calm. It's a nice rotation for your thoracic spine. The rest is stable. Good work. Let's go for 3 more rounds here. Soft and relaxing the shoulders. Last 2. Bring the palms up towards the ceiling. So this is super helpful to keep the chest nice, wide and open. And with the last round, come back to center. Release the arms, release the legs. Shake it out for a second. The supporting leg, especially the glutes and the hip stabilizer muscles, were on fire. So give them a break in between. I hope you're ready for the second side. So come back into that stable stance with your feet shoulder width apart, a micro bend in your knees, that powerhouse engaged. So try to reduce the distance between belly and back. And when you're ready, let's start with the arms again. Take a deep breath in, open your arms. Prepare your wings, prepare for flying. And exhale, imagine hugging the tree with your arms. Inhale, open up. And exhale, bring the fingertips together in front of your breastbone. Get the rhythm, get the synchronization of movement and breath, so take your time. Super helpful to breathe out through pursed lips in Pilates. So imagine blowing out a birthday candle. This will help you to activate your pelvic floor, those deep abdominal and back muscles. Good. Ready to add on? So we inhale, move the arms far back without opening the rib arches, and then round your spine. Inhale to open. Especially the chest muscles, your pec tends to shorten because we sit a lot in our everyday life. So let's open up for an upright, beautiful posture in our upper back. Yes, let's add on whenever you're ready. Inhale to open. And exhale to pull the left knee into the chest. Hug the leg, try to find your balance. Inhale, left foot down, lengthen the spine, look up to the ceiling. And exhale, pull the shoulder blades apart and the belly button in. Again, let's create a wonderful flow in which the inhale is as important as the exhale. So let's go for 2 more rounds here. And with the next round, keep the left foot in the air, hold it, and then rise up again. Place the left foot to the right side of the right foot, just the outer edge of your foot, so we can create even more length in the side of our body and our fascia tissue. And then let's continue with that side bend. As you inhale, lean over to the right, and as you exhale, coming back. We stay on that side, so it's an inhale as you move to the right, and it's an exhale to come back. So try not to stop the movement. Try to keep breathing throughout the whole exercise, throughout the whole class. So we never stop breathing, always filling the lungs with oxygen and the body with energy. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Feel free to look up to the ceiling to keep the chest nice, wide and open. And then with your next exhale, stay in your center, hold it, and lift the left leg up. Inhale. And exhale, switch the leg over the side to the back. Keep that micro bend in your knee of the supporting leg. Inhale to hold. And exhale to switch. Inhale, pull the heel up. And exhale, up and over. So feel when the leg's at the back of your body, how the glutes engage. And feel when the leg is in front of your body, how the inner thighs engage. Bring some tension into your left foot, point the foot. Good job. Try not to move the upper body. Try to stay stable. So also the powerhouse is helping you with that. Allow the movement to grow. Allow yourself to grow. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Don't lean back. Stay with your weight in your center. And in the next round, when the leg is behind you, stop here for a second. I slightly turn so you can better see what's happening. With your exhale, the left knee is pressing into the right back of your knee. And with the inhale, we extend and we squeeze the glutes, the hamstrings, at the same time keeping the hips closed. So that squeeze of the thighs, helping you to engage your inner thighs, your so-called adductors, and also your pelvic floor. Let's add those arms. Exhale, bring the arms next to your ears, thumbs up. And inhale, bend the arms and pull the elbows close to your body up to the ceiling. So full body activation, standing leg, moving leg, back muscles, arms, shoulders, and of course, the abdominals are working as well. Let's go for 2 more. Inhale, pulling the shoulder blades close towards the spine. And exhale, keep the legs together, the arms lifted. And let's start with those big scissor muscles in your arms. So big and slowly. And you can also stay here, shoulders down. And if you want more for those stabilizer muscles, speed it up. Teeny tiny movements, don't wiggle in your rest of the body. Let's create some heat, some warmth in the whole body. 2 more breaths. Last one. And with the exhale, you stop the movement. Breathe out the rest of the air. Come up. Just place the foot down onto the ground and open the arms nice and wide. Inhale. Twist to the right. Exhale. Inhale to come back to center, to neutral. And exhale, twist, massaging the organs, the intervertebral discs. Good. And this leg position is helping us a little bit, keeping the pelvis stable and calm. So get this softly squeeze. Breathe in and breathe out. Try to calm your breath with this exercise. Let's go for 3 more like this. Try to deepen with each exhale. Improving the flexibility of our spine. Last round. Good job. Come back to center. Release the arms, release the legs. Give everything a little shake. Maybe drink a sip of water. Stay hydrated. Good job.